earth. Oh, must just be whiskers, I guess. I don't know. Isn't that weird, eh? Huh. Oh, it's a friggin' something sticky. It's a cobweb, I think, maybe. From going in there, it's a cobweb. Yeah, that's what it is. Huh, I was wondering what was going on there. Anyway, I gotta take a shovel up the dead chicken. And, like I say, it is nature. It does happen. And not a whole lot can be done. It's sad when it happens, but I can't leave it where it is anyway. It's in the barn. It can't be in there. It's going to start to rot and smell and everything. So, got to got to get it shoveled up. That's all. Yeah. All right. Anyway, we'll talk to you later.